morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. I want to introduce myself. My name is Watua. I am 34 years old. I come from West Java of Indonesia. My religion is Muslim. My last education is junior high school. My status is married. I don't have any children yet. What my weight is 68 kg. My height is 160 cm. I am an only child. I have work experience in Singapore 2 years. My job is take care of the children 4 years and 5 years. I also cooking, cleaning the house, washing and ironing. I also have work experience in Hong Kong 4 years. My job is take care of the children 2 years and newborn baby. I also cooking, cleaning the house, washing and ironing. I want to go to Hong Kong because I want to earn money for my family and my future. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. See you soon in Hong Kong. Bye bye.